I really love this vacuum. We have dogs, and as you can see, they shed. This illuminates all of the dog hair on the floor, which is amazing. And I have had this actually for a couple of months, and I love it so much that I just got my mom one. So that's how much I love it, because I have also convinced my sister to buy one. 10 out of 10. I've tried other vacuums, one of which, I'll turn it off so you can hear me, one of which I still have, and it is a really big brand name vacuum. I would say probably one of the bigger ones that I know of, and the battery on that one only lasts a minute and 20 seconds, and this one lasts a very, very long time. At least, I mean, enough time for me to get my whole house done. We live in like a 2,200 square foot house, so 3 bedrooms, kitchen, dining room, and living room, and we can get everything done that we need to, and the 2 bathrooms, and it doesn't go dead before we get everything finished. So the suction's really good on it. It's good on rugs. I can show you. It also has the light on the rug as well. So it kind of highlights, especially when it's dark outside, you can really see how it highlights. But buy this vacuum because it is truly the best.